Hello friends, welcome to my channel Clinical Biochemistry by Dr. P.K. Prabhakar. Today we are going to talk about another type of questions which is most frequently comes in the CSIR, GATE and other exams like JAMS. So the questions, this is from the GATE. So the question is, the number of thymine residue in a 5000 kb DNA containing 23%. So the guanine residue is. So the four options was 2.70 into 10 to the power 6, 2.7 in 10 to the power 7, to 1.35 10 to the power 6, and 1.35 10 to the power 7. So we know that DNA is composed of four different types of nitrogenous bases, that is adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. And in the questions, it is already given that the DNA is having 5000 kb. So kb means kilo base. Kilo base means 1000 base pair. So 5000 kb means 5000 multiplied by 1000 bases. So it is not base pair, it is kilo base, only base, not pair. So that is the most important thing, you should remember it. So total bases is 5000 multiplied by 1000 equal to 5 multiplied by 10 to the power 6 bases. So out of this, 23% is thymine, which is already given in your questions. So hence the number of thymine equal to 23% of total base, that is 5 multiplied by 10 to the power 6. So that is equal to 10 to the power 23 multiplied by 5 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 100. So that is 23 pairs, 23% of this much base, and that is equal to this 2 0 will be crossed by this 2. So remaining is 23 multiplied by 50,000 equal to 1 lakh, sorry, 11 lakh 50,000 thymine residue. This is only thymine out of this 5000 kb. Now, according to Chargaff rule, we are knowing Chargaff rule. So, according to Chargaff rule, purine is equal to pyrimidine in any DNA, and purine means it is adenine and guanine. So, adenine and guanine is equal to thymine and cytosine, and we already know that adenine always pairs with thymine only. So, the number of adenine is always equal to number of thymine. So, as much as adenine there will be, that much amount of thymine will be there. Similarly, guanine always pairs with cytosine. So amount of guanine is always equal to amount of cytosine. In these questions, because already we have calculated that 23% of 5000 kilo base is equal to this much thymine. So thymine is equal to this much, because here thymine is equal to adenine. So the thymine is equal to adenine. So adenine is also equal to this much bases. So this much thymine is there and this much adenine is there according to Chargaff rule. Now the total base when we are calculating, so total bases is four different types of bases is equal to in this questions it is 5000 kilo bases. So total ATGC, if we'll add all together, it will be equal to this much. Now we'll put the value of adenine and thymine. So if we'll put the value of adenine and thymine, which is 11 lakh 50,000 bases. So it is 11 lakh 50,000 plus 11 lakh 50,000 plus G plus C equal to 5,000 bases. Now G plus C is equal to this two will go that side, so it will be minus. So this minus this and minus this equal to 2 lakh 27 lakh bases. Now, as we know, guanine always pairs with cytosine, so guanine is equal to cytosine. So we can replace this GC can be written as either G plus G, because C is equal to G. So C can be replaced with G according to this formula, or G can be replaced by C. So GC can be written either G plus G or C plus C. So either if we are writing this, it is 2G, or if you are writing this one, it will be 2C. So 2G or 2C equal to this value. Means G or C is equal to this divided by 2 equal to 13 lakh 50,000 bases. Means 1.35 multiplied by 10 to the power 6. This is the basis of guanine and cytosine. So we had an option. These were our options: 2.70 multiplied by 10 to the power 6, 2.7 multiplied by 10 to the power 7, or 1.35 multiplied by 10 to the power 6, or 1.35 multiplied by 10 to the power 7. So we have got this answer. So according to this one, our answer is C. So C is the correct answer. So you can, with the use of Chargaff rules, you can calculate, you can solve different types of questions. So in further weeks we are coming to with different other types of problem based on the Chargaff rules also. So that's all for today. Hope you have understand it. You can follow in different social networking sites also. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.